Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to discuss the topic from refraction of light at curved surfaces. In the previous class, you learned refraction of light at plane surfaces. Now, what is meant by refraction? So, refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one substance to another. Yes. So, it is the bending of light passes from one substance to another. So, this bending by refraction makes it possible for us to have lenses, magnifying glasses, prisms and rainbow. Yes. So, simply we can say that refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one substance to another. So, a refracting surface which forms a part of a sphere. Yes, this is a part of a sphere of transparent refracting surface. Yes, so the two types are, we have two types of spheres. So, one is a convex spherical refracting surface and another one is the concave spherical refracting surface. So, to understand more about refraction, let us perform one activity. So, for this we need to take one empty vessel, transparent vessel or transparent sphere, and take one paper. So, draw an arrow of length 4 centimeters using a black sketch pen on a thick sheet of paper. So, you are seeing here on this picture. Yes. So, take an empty glass tumbler. So, bring the sheet of paper on which arrow was drawn behind the vessel. Well, look at it from other side. Yes. So, here we are observing the arrow from other side of the glass, or we can say vessel. Yes. So, here the arrow is behind the glass. So, we will see a diminished image of the arrow. So, when we look at it from other side, there we will observe a diminished image of the arrow. Yes. So, the size of the image is diminished. So, now fill the vessel with water. So, you can see in this picture. So, look at the arrow from the same position as before. So, when the vessel is filled with water, what we are observing here? Yes. So, we are observing an inverted image. So, when we fill the vessel with water, so we are observing an inverted image. So, when the vessel is empty, there we observe a diminished image of the arrow. And when the vessel is filled with water, we observe an inverted image. So, what is the difference between two cases? So, in the first case, when the vessel is empty, light from the arrow refracts at the curved interface. Yes. The light from the arrow refracts at the curved interface. Light waves changes speed when they pass across the boundary between two substances with a different density. So, here what are the two substances here? Such as air and glass. Yes, when the vessel is empty, there the two substances are air and glass. So that's why there the light waves changes speed when they pass across the boundary between two substances with a different density. So this causes them to change direction. Okay, so this causes them to change direction. So an effect called refraction. You can call that as a refraction. So in this way, light travels in two media. What are the two media there? One is the air media and one is the glass media. So the light slows down going into a denser substance and the ray bends towards the normal and forms a diminished image. So here the refracted ray travels through normal. Okay, so that refracted ray bends towards the normal. So that's why we observe a diminished image. So the light slows down going into a denser substance and the ray bends towards the normal and forms a diminished image. So in the second case, the light enters the curved surface, moves through the water, comes out of the vessel. Here we have the three different mediums. One is the air medium, water medium and glass medium. So when the vessel is filled with water, there we observe an inverted image. So in this case, the light enters the curved surface, moves through the water and comes out of the vessel. So forms an inverted image. Yes. So here it moves through the water and comes out of the glass. Okay, this is the interface between air media and water media. So due to that, here the light ray enters the curved surface, moves through the water and comes out of the vessel. Finally, we observe an inverted image due to refraction of the light.